Okay, let's start with IELTS speaking part 1 and we'll ask you some questions. Yeah.
Do you like art?
Yes, I really like art. Art, art will, art, art exhibit your feelings,
Exhibits.
exhibits your feeling, and there are many arts in our country like singing, music,
There are many
painting,
forms of
forms
art
of
in my
arts like
country.
music, painting, and dancing, and
Yeah, so to
some
answer your
so.
question, I love art very much. Good, this is good. But just you need to be quick enough to say all these things. What you
So
said
वो
is fine.
word exhibit,
English, please.
exhibit.
English, okay? Yeah. And so you're searching for the word exhibit, and by that time, examiner will exhibit low band score to you, okay? So please don't think about words. Whatever is readily available, use that.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
next.
Do you think it is important to take art classes?
Yes, it is important because training will enhance your outcome, and it will give you more ideas about your work, and it will enhance your mind as well.
All right, that's good. Just try to use compound sentences and at the end, one sentence conclusion.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
What can you learn from Western paintings?
Western paintings are more. They are usually do 3D paintings, and they use new technology in paintings like 3D paintings and all that. So it attracts people, and mostly people attracts by their.
okay, it attracts people. They're using the word paintings. So you should say they attract people. And then you use the same word attract again. So you should say most of the people are really fascinated by Western painting. So I think Western art has great contribution in the world of art. Something like that, okay?
Yes, sir.
Variety of words.
Sir,
If you move
मेरा
around same words, you'll get low band score. So think about these. And you know, the words are not difficult, like exhibit you are using, then the words like fascinated, attracted. So these words should be readily available.
yes,
Readily
sir.
available means active part of your vocabulary, right?
Okay,
Thank
sir.
you.